Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of WazirX WRX token, and I will tell you my next medium duration and long duration target for this token. And in this video I am going to do technical analysis as well as price prediction of this token for 2021. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. This is the CoinGecko page of WRX token and it is currently trading at $3.16. Price decreased 4.7% in USD pair in just 24 hours. Price decreased 8.9% in BTC pair in just 24 hours, and price decreased 5.1% in BNB pair. Current rank of this token is 113, and let me please show you the website of this token. This is the website. WazirX is Indian's most trusted Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange. Buy, sell and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin and more cryptocurrencies in India. Start trading now. This is the first Indian exchange. This is the most trusted one exchange of Indians, and this token having huge potential and a very bright future. That is why I am making this video, and I will tell you my next target for this token. Introduction: WRX. Just like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies today, WRX is a token created by WazirX. There will be a maximum of 1 billion WRX coin ever created. Please do your own research before buying this token or before investing in this token. This video is just for informational purpose only. I am not a technical, I am not an investment advisor. This video is just for informational purpose only. Let's dive into the CoinGecko page. And current market cap of this token is $792 million, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is $100 million. Circulating supply of this token is 248 million tokens, and maximum supply of this token is just 1 billion. Let me please show you some other statistics. In 30 days, this token gives 576% profit to its holders. In 1 year, this token gives 2,370% profit to its holders. Return on investment on WazirX is very, very high, 15,913%, which is very, very good. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.04%, and all-time high of WazirX is $5.88, which was on 5 April 2021, just 8 days ago. And all-time low of this WazirX token was on February 5, 2020, about 1 year ago, and the price was $0.0475. And it is available on these exchanges: Binance, Gate.io, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. And if you want to open Bybit and Hotbit exchange accounts, these are the links. Let's dive into the chart and let me please show you what are the targets. This is the WazirX BTC chart, and I'm going to do technical analysis on both pair, WRX BTC pair and WRX USD pair. This is BTC pair. Let me please first tell you what is the target. Currently it is trading at 4,913 satoshis, and this is the upside trend line, and this is the support zone for the WRX is at 4,775 satoshis. Once it breaks the upside trend line, in that case, it have to move towards upside, and after that, let me please show you what will be the target. According to that, this will be the target. $8,286 satoshis. This is first target. And second target will be this zone, which is horizontal resistance, and its all-time high 11,507 satoshis. Let me please show you what kind of profit this token gives to its holders in just 3 months and 13 days. Let me please show you. Let me please convert it into the monthly chart, and let me please show you what kind of profit this token gives in just 3 months and some days, 13 days. Let me please show you. Here you can see 72x, 7,483%, 7,243%, which is 72x. This token gives 72x to its holders in just 3 months and 13 days. And let me please show you what kind of profit I am expecting from this token right now. And let me please show you. And I think this token having very bright future, and that is why I am making this video. Here you can see in this month of March, this token gives, let me please show you, in the month of March how much profit this token gives to its holders. 13x, 1300%, and this is very good profit. And I think, let me please show you what are my targets, I think so. And if this token, in this rally, this token gives same percentage of profit, in that case, let me please show you what will be the price in Satoshi. If it breaks its all-time high again, and definitely it will break in this bull run. If this happens, in that case, here you can see this will be the profit. This is very I think so realistic target. This is immediate short-term target. This token can hit this target and can give you this profit within I think 1 month or maybe some days, and this is the target. And because of the profit percentage and because of this token movement, and I think that this token can give you maximum profit. And if this happens, let me please show you how much profit you can gain from there. It is near about 375%, you can say 4x. This move can easily give you 4x profit, 400% profit within some days, maybe 1 month or maybe after some days. This token can easily give you this kind of profit, and I'm sure that this token can easily give you. And let me please show you the target according to the Fib retracement tool. What is the target? Let me please show you. Currently it is in between 0.38 to 0.5 of Fibonacci level, and according to the Fib retracement tool, this token can easily hit this zone within 6 months or maybe within 6 to 7 months, I think so. This is the target of Fib retracement, and 30,418 Satoshi is the target according to the Fib retracement, and this can give you maximum profit. Let me please show you how much profit this token can give you if you buy this token from that price. Let me please show you. In that case, near about 580% profit we can expect in BTC pair according to the Fib retracement tool. But what I am thinking that easily 10x is my target. This token can easily hit 10x and can easily hit. Let me please show you what is the target. This is my target, I think so. This token can easily hit this. Let me please show you. 10x, I think, which is very fair target of this token, and this token can, I think, hit this zone and can hit this price level. And I think 50,000 is very realistic target. 50,000 Satoshi is very realistic target for this token, and I think this token can hit this target. 50,000 Satoshi is my final target for this BTC pair. And let me please show you the USD pair, USDT pair, and let me please convert it into 4 hour because I want to show you immediate short-term target, and it is currently is at $3.11, and I think maybe it will go down to hit this zone again, and after that it price pull back, and in that case this will be our first target, and this will be the target $4.60 you can say, and second target will be, let me please show you. I think this is very realistic target. This will be the second target for $6.5. Let me show you what kind of profit this token gives to its holders in just 3 months and 13 days. Let me please show you, and let me please do this. I want to cover this in monthly pair, monthly candle, monthly chart, sorry. In USD pair, this token gives, let me please show you how much profit. %12,000 profit, 12,879% to its holder, which is very huge profit, and this is very good profit, and I am very bullish on this token. And let me please tell you what are the targets I think this token can easily hit. These are immediate short-term target. Note down these targets, and let me please remove this, and let me please tell you what are the targets I expect from this token. I think this token having very bright future, and can easily hit once it breaks $6.65 level, which is all-time high of this token right now. Here you can see. In that case, let me please show you. If this happens, and in new rally, if I calculate the previous candle, just in this candle, 1400% profit this can easily give you once it break this new all-time high and create, sorry for that, if this happen, in that case $12 12.88 sorry. This is very realistic. This token can easily hit, CRO can easily hit this zone, this target. I think within 3 months, maybe 2 months, I think this is the target. And my final target of this token in USD is I think $30 is very realistic target, and this token can easily hit this zone and this target. And let me please calculate the move. If this happens, in that case, this token can easily give you 900% profit. This is my final target. Sorry for that. Let me please arrange this. This is my final target, $30. And I think this token can easily hit this target. And let me please show you the target according to the Fib retracement. Let me please cover this. Let me please do this. According to the Fib retracement, this will be the target. Let me please show you. According to the Fib retracement tool, $28 will be the target, but I think $30 is very realistic target for the WazirX WRX token, and this is very realistic target. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, and if you want to open Binance account, then this is the link. Please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get this link of Binance. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me.